Guys, I captured this beautiful scene, beautiful view while I was returning from Kolpur to Tulsipur. This is on the way, Amelia to Tulsipur Road, and just look at this amazing view. Those blue sky, white cloud trees, white flowers, and those roads like snake, and those hills. And here comes mm, a river also. That one, which one is? Oh, that you see, amazing man.